To begin our cabochon, go to the Shanks tab, use the Signet command. For a clearer view, change the mode to shaded by clicking on the bottom right corner of each viewport. Use pan, zoom, and rotate tools, and then use zoom extents all to center all views. Without selecting any element from the library, click on Edit. Then click on the Profile Preview and change it to Profile 003. Now we'll edit some parameters. Set the width to 10 millimeters, set the height to 12 millimeters, set the height position to 2.86 millimeters, set the width of the bottom profile to 2.35 millimeters, height of the bottom profile to 1.5 millimeters, set the width of the middle profile to 2.70 millimeters, height of the middle profile to 1.80 millimeters. Make sure to determine the most appropriate ring size for you. The recess option is fantastic when creating spaces for adding emblems, initials, or other elements, making it an extremely versatile tool in these cases. However, for a snug stone setting, especially with non-round cabochons, we recommend the Boolean method. We'll emphasize this point in the course to help you achieve the best results. The shank is now complete. Next, we'll create the cabochon. To help position the cabochon, go to the Curve tab and create a line that runs across the top of the ring. Now, go to the Diamonds tab and click on the Cabochon command. Change the mode to oval, set the X measurement to 8 millimeters, set the Y measurement to 10 millimeters, set the Z measurement to 3 millimeters, set the girdle angle to 0. Position the cabochon in the center of the shank. You'll see the mid option appear. Click to place it. In the front view, using the gumball, move the cabochon 0.7 millimeters down. To create a perfect fit in the shank, select the cabochon and then type offset in the command bar. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the available commands and select Offset Surface Set, the distance to 0.05 millimeters, so the fit is slightly larger than the gem, allowing it to sit snugly without being too loose. Press Enter. Now, in the Solid tab, select the Boolean difference command. Next, select the shank and press Enter. Then select the created solid and press Enter again. Select the cabochon and type hide in the command prompt so we can examine the shank, then bring the cabochon back using the show command. Now, a tip for a better looking render. Select the shank and press F3 on the keyboard to open its properties. In the Edge Softening tab, set softening to 0.2 and click On to activate it. This will smooth the edges in the render. Now we'll apply materials. In the Render and Animation panel, apply Rose Gold 18 karat to the shank. For the gem, apply a ruby material. Adjust the perspective, set the resolution and quality parameters. Also apply ground material and just click on Render. Your model is ready to showcase on social media.